Hey road trippers! Today, we're embarking on an adventure with the ultimate guide to road trips, covering routes and must-have essentials. We'll journey through route planning, smart packing, vehicle preparations, safety measures, and entertainment. So strap in, adventurers, let's dive right in. Tip number 1, plan your route wisely. The journey is just as important as the destination. Consider weaving your way through scenic drives, immersing yourself in historical routes, or embracing the sea breeze on coastal drives. The world is your oyster, and the road is your map. To help plan your journey, consider using online tools like RoadTrippers or Google Maps. These tools can show you the way to your dream road trip. With the right planning, every mile can be a memory. Tip number 2, pack smart. When embarking on a road trip, it's crucial to have a well-stocked travel kit. This should include a first aid kit, spare tire, and jumper cables for unforeseen circumstances. Don't forget to pack emergency supplies such as flashlights, blankets, and multi-tools. Comfort is key, so pack snacks, water, and even a comfy pillow. Lastly, despite the digital age, always carry physical maps and navigation tools as a backup. Remember, better safe than sorry. Tip number 3, prep your vehicle. It's vital to ensure your car is road trip ready. Regular maintenance checks are a must. This includes inspection of oil levels, brake functionality, and tire pressure. It's also crucial to have all necessary documents at hand. Make sure your insurance and registration are current and easily accessible. A well-maintained car not only guarantees a smooth ride, but also prevents unexpected roadside issues. Remember, a well-prepared vehicle is the first step to an epic journey. Tip number 4, safety first. Ensuring a safe and comfortable journey is the cornerstone of any successful road trip. Start by always wearing your seatbelt. It's a non-negotiable. Factor in regular breaks on your journey. It helps to refresh and recharge. Avoid distractions while driving. Keep your focus on the road. If you're planning on a long journey or a late-night drive, consider having a designated driver to share the driving load. Remember, your safety and comfort are paramount on any road trip. Tip number 5, amp up the fun. A road trip is the perfect time to explore new music, revisit old favorites, or delve into gripping audiobooks and podcasts. Don't forget classic car games either. I Spy or 20 Questions can become fiercely competitive and hilariously fun. Perhaps someone fancies themselves as a comedian. A stand-up comedy playlist could get everyone in stitches. After all, laughter is the best road trip companion. Remember, it's all about the journey, not just the destination. Road trips offer unforgettable experiences, and with these tips, you're all set for an epic journey. Remember, plan your route, pack smart, prep your vehicle, prioritize safety, and amp up the fun. For more travel and lifestyle guides, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Safe travels, adventurers!